All right, fourth grade, for today's English lesson, we're moving on to the next one. Last time we talked about the names of peoples and pets to be capitalized, including their titles, and today we're going to be talking about names of places and things that need to be capitalized. So the first rule says, always capitalize the names of particular places and things. So we know that's called a proper noun, right? A name of a particular place or a particular thing needs to be capitalized, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Whenever a proper noun is more than one word, remember to begin each important word with a capital letter. So you know that we need to capitalize important places or specific places or things, but you can't forget that you need to capitalize each important word, not just the first one, all of them. So let's look at this box to look at the examples that are there. Names of proper places. So name of a particular street needs to be capitalized. Here we see Pebble Creek Road. And you see not just Pebble is capitalized and not just road is capitalized, but all of it, the name of the entire road needs to be capitalized. City. Names of cities need to be capitalized. Here we have Dallas. Our school is in Delray Beach. So Delray Beach are two words and they should both be capitalized because that's the name of the city. State. Names of states are capitalized. Here we have Colorado. The name of our state is Florida. Florida should also be capitalized because it is the name of a particular place. Country. Here we see Mexico is capitalized, the M in Mexico. We live in the country of the United States of America. The words United States and America are capitalized, but not of. And that brings us here, just like this example. The name of this building is Museum of Science. You see how museum and science are capitalized, but not of? Of is not an important word enough to be capitalized, which kind of stinks for of, of these little things usually are not capitalized in the middle of the sentence. They're just not important enough, like I said. If the was in the beginning of the sentence, it would have to be capitalized. But if it's in the middle, not so much really. These little tiny words, not capitalized. So of, the, a, not capitalized. Mountains, it's a particular place, so we would capitalize it. Pikes Peak, that's the name of the mountain, it's capitalized. Park, Acadia National Park. The name of the entire park needs to be capitalized, all three letters. Water, so a specific body of water needs to be capitalized as well. This is the Indian Ocean. It's a particular ocean, so it needs to be capitalized. Here in Florida, we have the Atlantic Ocean next to us. That is capitalized, both A in Atlantic and O in Ocean. We also have the Gulf of Mexico on the other side of us, and that follows this rule. It would be Gulf is capitalized and Mexico is capitalized, but not of. Gulf of Mexico, only Gulf and Mexico are capitalized. Now let's look at things that are capitalized, particular things. So here, days of the week are capitalized. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday are all days of the week and they all have to be capitalized. Months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. They're all months. They all have to be capitalized because they are specific things. Holidays. Holidays are specific things as well, so they must be capitalized. Here we see Flag Day. Both of them are capitalized. Here we see that rule again. Of is in the middle, so of is not capitalized. 4th of July. Only 4th and July are capitalized. Groups. Specific groups must be capitalized. Avon Garden Club is capitalized as it's the name of a specific group. And here we have the basketball team, New York Mets. It is a specific organization, so it is all capitalized as well. Now let's see if you were paying attention and go to try it. So the directions say which words need capital letters. We're going to read the sentence. You're going to tell me which words should be capitalized. Number 1, my pen pal from Japan is coming to visit. Now, which words should be capitalized in this sentence? Give you a minute. Well, There's only a specific place in this sentence, which is a country, the country of Japan. So Japan needs to be capitalized. Nothing else. Number 2, he plans to arrive in Ocean City next Tuesday. Now, what words are supposed to be capitalized here? Are there any specific places or things? Well, for one, there is a specific city. What city? Ocean City. Do I only capitalize ocean? No, I have to capitalize ocean and city because that's the name of the whole city. Is there anything else? Yes, there is. Tuesday. That's a day of the week. It's a specific thing, so we must capitalize Tuesday. Number 3, we'll visit the Seaside Museum if he isn't too tired. Is there anything that should be capitalized here? Any particular place or thing? Why, yes, there is a specific museum, so we need to capitalize that. Do we only capitalize museum? No, the name of it is Seaside Museum, so we must capitalize both. Number 4, then we can go to Pacific Park or Rocky Road. Anything we should capitalize here? Correct, there's a name of a particular park or a particular road. Both of those need to be capitalized. Number 5, afterward, we can watch the Miami Dolphins play football. Anything in particular we have to capitalize? Yes, the football team right here from our state, Miami Dolphins. That's the name of the football organization from here, so it has to be capitalized. Nothing else in this sentence must be capitalized. We do not capitalize football because that's just the name of the sport. That's not a specific thing. Number 6, I'm glad he's staying until Columbus Day. Anything need to be capitalized? Well, Columbus Day is a holiday, so that must be capitalized. Columbus Day. And number 7, many exciting things happen here in September and October. You see anything that needs to be capitalized? You're right. These 2 months need to be capitalized, September and October. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Nothing else in this sentence needs to be capitalized because there's nothing else that's specific here. Excellent job, guys. I think this is a very easy lesson. Let's see what your assignment will be for today. All right, so your assignment is to do on your own numbers 8 through 24. This will be for you on OneNote. All you need to do is highlight or underline the correct answers with the draw tool, okay? So, write these sentences correctly, add capital letters where they are needed. You're not going to need to do that. All you're going to have to do is basically what I did on this page right here. You're going to highlight what needs to be capitalized, okay? So, in the example sentence, it says, last Saturday, Heather returned from her trip. Now, is there any place or thing that's specific here that needs to be capitalized? Yes, the day of the week, Saturday, is not capitalized. So, as you can see, when they rewrote it, they capitalized Saturday. So, in your OneNote notebook, you would highlight Saturday, okay? That's what you're going to do for 8 through 16. For numbers 17 through 24, you are going to read this email and you are going to do the same thing. You are going to capitalize anything that needs to be capitalized. The directions say, this part of an email message has 8 missing or incorrect capital letters. Write the message correctly. So again, you don't need to write it. It'll already be there for you. You're just going to underline or highlight what the missing or incorrect capital letters are, okay? So if you see something that should be capitalized and it's not, you're going to highlight it. If you see something that should not be capitalized and it is capitalized, you're also going to highlight that. So the example sentence says, will you climb Pikes Peak? There's something here that is not capitalized that should be. And what is that? The name of the park is not all capitalized. So Pikes Peak should both be capitalized, and here it's not. So you would underline or highlight peak because that's one of the things that are missing that needs to be capitalized, okay? So again, some things will be capitalized that should not be capitalized, and you need to highlight those. Some things need to be capitalized that are not, and you need to highlight those as well. Altogether, you should have 8 mistakes. Okay, so go ahead in OneNote and work on your own numbers 8 through 24.